They're up there on the tree. They're up there on the tree. And there they are, two of the parrots that are flying around Düsseldorf. There are actually about 1,500 there. They've been let out some 35 years ago. And I think it's amazing. Like, you don't have those birds outside, not in this part of the world, but they obviously are able to live here, and they feel comfortable, as you can hear. And there are two of them. So I was saying to my wife, they do like sitting on top of things to see what's going on, and obviously there they are. And they don't really have any natural predators around here, because even the hawks, they don't go for them. And what I just read is that it's the same family, so the hawks and these parrots are genetically related. And there they are, chirping away. And it just adds color to the bird life over here. And you do hear them, because I was actually waiting at the window for some time. And then I heard a weird noise that I didn't know, because I do pay attention to birds. Probably listening in on me, even though I'm quite a bit away. So this is actually on the Galaxy Note 20. So one of them just flew away. Just gonna zoom out, and yeah. So on a nice sunny day, have a good one.